Okay, look who is blooming. Look at them. They're like a pale yellow, but you see how massive this bush is? I mean, it just like comes up everywhere. Right there was one blooming the other day. Right there's one, and that's rooted. Look at this one, the salmon color. Isn't that gorgeous? And my candy stripe, it has more buds. Look, beautiful. That one's still in bloom. Rose tree, not so much. Oh my goodness. Fell over again. I'm gonna have to tie it up, I guess, and get my son to help me put a stab at it. Yeah, look at those. And then my grandma's favorite, one of her favorites, the Tropicana. Look at this. Is this not just gorgeous? This is a tea rose. Look at the size of that rose, and look at the size of my hand. Oh yeah, it's big. Look, so beautiful. Smells so good. Goodness.